What's up, y'all? This is your boy Deep Note. I thought I'd make a video regarding something I came across when learning the Cakewalk software, where when you press play, there's a delayed start. I'll show you what I mean. Watch when I press play. And you see how long it takes for that to start. Okay, so I searched the internet and found a solution to that, and I thought I'd make a video to help those that are having the same problem. All you have to do is go up to the record button, right click it. It takes you to the preferences menu under project record submenus, and all you have to do is uncheck the box by allow arm changes during playback record. Uncheck that, press apply, close, and once you press play now, it's going to play without any delay. So I hope this helps someone that is having the same problem I was. This is why I prefer hardware, as there is less bugs in the systems involved. But I hope this will help someone that is trying to learn Cakewalk. Please subscribe, be safe, and have a good day.